Hi there, hi beautiful people. Let me introduce you with the product Scrapit. So this is the Scrapit dashboard, and inside this video I will give you a detailed overview of this tool. I will show you each and every options, how this tool works and would this tool be fitting for you or not. Okay, so before getting into the product, let me tell you that you will be given some good bonuses from this page. Like, you want to purchase the product from this page, you can purchase it by clicking on the video description link. You can purchase it within approximately 18 bucks, or you can try the $14 pack also, approximately $14. So you can click on this button to get redirected to the product sales page. From there you can purchase the tool with my bonuses. So let me show you how this tool works. So before getting into the tool, let me show you this page. This page has these ratings. This page has some information about Scrapit, and also some descriptions, some bonuses, some stuffs, okay, and my words, also some testimonials, that kind of stuff. So you can easily do the same thing inside Scrapit. If I want to do that, let me show you from this section, like your previously created post. Inside all post, you can see here your existing products, your existing reviews will be here, like your BuzzSpress review, affiliate creator review, crypto planet review. That kind of review you can create on a daily basis easily with this product, and you can earn on a daily basis or in a frequent basis, like in 3 days you can earn constantly, and this is an evergreen method. So let me show you how Scrapit works. So if I click on the Scrapit here, like inside the scraper section, it will show me to paste the URL. If I paste the URL here, like if I am pasting my website URL here, it is fetching the title, it is fetching the images, it is fetching the overview and features, everything. You can also add the pros and cons for the product. You can also add the my words section. You can also add the testimonial section. Like, this is very easy, just click on the plus button and put the name, like my words or your view about this tool. You can do that kind of stuff. So this is the product name, it is already selected. These are the images from the page. You can get the images from here. You can get the detailed overview, like select the overview section and put the overview, and you can select the features also, like maybe these are the features. This is not the feature, I am doing it randomly because I want to make the video in a faster way. So just put the features and put your words, like you can choose any of them for your words, like and click on done. So once you have clicked on done, it will grab that stuff and it will create a new blog post of that product. Okay, so it doesn't end here, like it is just started or in a middle way. You can click more stuffs inside here, like inside Scrapit button you can grab the bonuses. They are done for you bonuses, or you can use the bonuses, your bonuses. Okay, so inside Scrapit you can grab the bonus and put the bonus wherever you want. Like, these are totally done for you inside Scrapit dashboard, inside just 18 bucks. This is a overvalued tool in my opinion. This is totally done for you, stuffs are given. You can change the bonus and you can click on the buttons to put the button, like you can put it here. Let me put it here to show you the button, and you can also put more buttons inside one page to make your consumer at ease, like they don't want to scroll again and again, like from top to bottom. They don't want that. That's why you can put 2 or 3 buttons, like I have put here. Also the same thing, you can see here that there is a button, and also at the top section there is a button. This is the button, that kind of stuff. You can do the same thing inside it. And if you want to do more, like you can click on the Scrapit section. Inside that you can select more stuffs, like the premium license labels, like the pros and cons. It is my word or special bonuses, and this is the bonus. Like, after purchasing, click on that button to get the bonuses. And your money back guarantee section, money back guarantee feature, you can put also the pros and cons, and everything is pretty much easily editable. Like, click on that stuff and just start editing it. This is that easy. Like, click on that and delete it and put something more if you want. This is that easy. Okay, so I have done it randomly to show you that how this works, but it is not the way you will be working. You will be working in a more effective way, in a more accurate or professional way, and just put it in a publish mode. Your review site, your reviews will be published with your bonuses, with premium coolness. Okay, so that is the thing you can create inside it. Let me just, okay, let me leave it. I don't want to save it. I don't want to publish any of the previews, any of the review. Okay, so you can do the stuffs as I am doing. I can also afford this product. I can also purchase the product to make me more to make me at ease, to give me at ease, to make me more comfort. But the thing is, I am in a comfort zone by doing it every day, each and every day, near about 1 year. That is why I am not purchasing. That is why I am showing you the review version of this tool as an affiliate. But the thing is, if you are a newbie, you can purchase it very easily, blindly, with my recommendation. And the thing is, your money will not gone in vain. Like this tool give you more money than you invest inside it. Okay, so I am the real proof about it. I am doing the same stuff. I am writing the review and getting the traffic and getting the sales, getting the commissions. Not on a daily basis I am repeating, but in a frequent basis, in a 2 or 3 days, or sometime it will go on a daily basis. That depends on your effort, on your luck. Sometime I don't believe in luck so much, but you can do that stuffs. There are so many stuffs, so many product reviews are given. Sometime you create the product review so many days ago, and you got the sale in present life, in present days. That makes you more happy. So that was the product. You can create the same thing and you can earn money very easily from home. So this product is launching on 16th of June and 10 AM EST, 10 o'clock morning, the New York morning. And these are the descriptions about this tool. I want you to get this tool if you are a newbie, if you want to make money online. So this is my word about this tool, and this is the sales funnel. You can go through it. You can purchase any of the upsells if you want to get the more premium version of this tool. So the first bonus is the free bonus. You can ask me anything from my Facebook soft humor page. The question should be inside make money online niche. That is my only criteria. So the real bonus project starts from here. This all software you can use it as your bonus also. Like, this is very easy. Okay, so after purchasing the tool, you will be doing the reviews, and you need bonuses. You can take the bonus and you can use it as if it is your own, and you can use the bonuses. So the thing is, this all pack will be given to you inside the front end product. Total 50 bonus will be given to you, and apart from that, there are some vendor bonus that comes by default, and there is a tutorial section. Tutorial bonus comes by default from the vendor. That is, everything is clear to you inside this tutorial section in a very detailed way. And apart from that, let me clear you, if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonus box that consists with 350 plus stuff: the software, the image pack, the music track, the PLR product, the plugin, the doodle character pack. Everything are gathered inside one place, and that will be given to you inside mega bonus box. So that was the product. Don't forget to click on this final call button to get redirected to the sales page and purchase the product. Don't forget to click on the access affiliate bonus button to get the bonuses. So I am signing out for the video. Scrap it. Bye bye.